You've heard how important gut health is for all of us. And the key to a healthy gut is a healthy biome. Most of us wonder, should I take prebiotics or probiotics? But did you know, they can work against us, causing imbalance and inflammation. But now, there is a solution. Introducing Biome IX plus D3, your new postbiotic. Biome IX plus D3 contains tributyrin, also known as butyric acid or butyrate. With Biome IX plus D3, you can achieve a balanced immune system, help repair a leaky gut, improve brain health, better sleep, decrease in inflammation, and help prevent abnormal cell growth, just to name a few possibilities. Our patented delivery system bypasses the stomach and is released in the lower intestine for optimal absorbency. If you're ready to start your journey to a happier and healthier gut, visit mypostbiotic.com. We are made in the USA, GMO-free, and have a 30-day money-back guarantee.